The explosion at Rameshwaram Cafe in Bengaluru's Whitefield area has triggered panic and confusion among citizens. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, speaking to India Today, confirmed that it was indeed a bomb blast. This is what Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said.
ನನಗಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಸುಮಾರು 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 8 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂಡಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಿಂದ ಪಾರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಿದೆ, 8 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ CCTV ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸಿವ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು. ಭಾರಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದವರು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
In the latest, there were nuts and bolts found at the explosion spot. And my colleague Sagai Raj brings the latest from the spot.
The investigators are collecting all kind of samples which are available at Rameshwaram Cafe. As I speak now, you can see there. That is the place where the blast took place. And the intensity of this blast was so high that even the glass panels, windows on the other side of the hotel was completely broken. And what we get to learn through the Home Minister of Karnataka, G. Parmeshwar, is that 9 people have suffered injured, and he has also ruled out any kind of cylinder blast, and he has also said that unless he gets the report from his department, he will not confirm what kind of a blast is this. Because the FSL team have collected the samples, they have to examine that. NIA team is here, they have to submit a report, and thereafter the Home Minister will speak on that.
While earlier it was being reported that the victims may have been 4 or 5, we have learned that the number are a little higher. Karnataka Home Minister has confirmed that 9 people have been injured in the explosion, while initial reports suggested that 5 people had been injured. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, addressing the media, said this about the blast.
ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸು ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ವೈರಿಗಳ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಆದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ 2-3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸು ಯಾರು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಆತಂಕ ಪಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಕಾನೂನು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
So now what do we know about the injured? The woman customer, Swarnamata Narayanappa, a 40-year-old lady injured in the explosion, works with an IT firm. She is said to have suffered around 40% burn injuries. 2 staff members of the restaurant, Farooq Hussain and Vipanshu, have also suffered minor injuries. As per police officials, the injured had been admitted to 2 nearby hospitals and are now being moved to Brookfield Hospital. Let's listen into what one of the victims had to say.
What's working you are doing?
I'm a software engineer.
Okay, which company?
Amazon.
How is your health now?
It's fine.
It's fine. Okay, nice. Where do you put up here?
Huh?
Where do you put up? Here, where do you stay?
Kasturi.
Okay. So actually what happened exactly inside? You went for the lunch?
Yeah.
No, intelligence only, media wala. So generally. So we'll talk it. So you went for the lunch at what time?
Can we talk some?
Yeah, it's okay. At what time you went? That's all. Just a small thing.
Around 1 o'clock. I go during the free time.
Okay. You don't have any suspicious regarding next to what you're eating, like any fellows or something?
Nothing.
All fine.
Karnataka DGP Alok Mohan and Bengaluru Police Commissioner B. Dayanand are at the site of the incident, and investigation into the cause of the explosion is currently underway. The DGP, who is at the spot, said, "We are waiting for the FSL report to determine the cause of the blast and what was in the bag." IED blast has also not been ruled out as of now. At present, a bomb squad, NIA and local police are at the spot investigating the cause of the blast, and CCTV footage is being collected from the surrounding areas to identify the culprit. Now, the BJP has wasted no time in targeting the Congress government. The Saffron Party State President Vijayendra Yadurappa said, and I quote, "Carelessness of the state government in downplaying such crimes under the guise of minority brotherhood policies is pushing the state into this chaos and proving to be a safe haven for anti-social elements. Failure of police intelligence is also evident in this incident. We strongly urge the police to conduct a thorough probe and eradicate these elements from the core without yielding to any political pressures." This is a developing story. Keep watching So South for further updates.